Once upon a time, in a very rich kingdom, the king and queen were expecting the birth of their first child. Soon, their wait paid off. The queen is pregnant with her first child. However, that happiness is threatened when the queen falls ill. To look for rampion flowers. The flower is the only medicine that can cure the queen. Be very much. His efforts paid off when the king along with several soldiers found rampion flowers in the forest opposite the palace. When the king plucked the flower, a magician suppressed her anger. Turns out, the flower is the flower that keeps her young. 2 months later, being healed by the rampion flower, the queen gave birth to a very beautiful daughter with golden hair. The hair contains properties similar to rampion flowers. As a form of gratitude and affection for the princess, every day the birth of the daughter named Rapunzel, the king and queen will fly lanterns to fill the kingdom. The evil mage who was getting old looking couldn't wait any longer. Just in the early hours of the morning, a witch broke into the palace and kidnapped Rapunzel. She took the beautiful princess into the forest. In the deepest part of the forest, she placed Rapunzel in a tower so that no one could find the girl. Only by combing Rapunzel's hair while singing a song, the witch can look young again. Years in the palace, the witch took care of Rapunzel like her own child. She forbade Rapunzel to leave the tower, saying that the outside world was dangerous. All the witch's plans go awry when a crown thief Rapunzel from the palace sneaks into the tower. Rapunzel catches him and promises to free the thief named Flynn if he is willing to accompany Rapunzel to see the flying lanterns on her birthday. Long story short, Flynn managed to bring Rapunzel to the palace. There, he told Rapunzel that the lanterns were a birthday celebration for the missing royal princess. However, not long after, the mages found him and framed Flynn so that he was seen only using Rapunzel to break free and return to stealing. Rapunzel was agitated and returned to the tower. But not long after, she realized that her mother was a lying witch and herself a lost princess. When Flynn managed to escape from the witch's trap, he immediately went to the tower to save Rapunzel. But unfortunately, the witch stabbed Flynn first. Rapunzel, who doesn't want Flynn to leave her, immediately heals Flynn and begs the witch to let her save Flynn, and she will live in the tower like they used before. The witch agreed to that. Rapunzel also sings a song that can light her hair to heal Flynn. After regaining consciousness, Flynn immediately cut Rapunzel's hair. The golden hair lost its magic and turned brown. The angry mage immediately attacked Flynn again, but in the end she slipped and fell from the tower. In the end, Rapunzel returned to the palace and she married Flynn and lives happily ever after.